What's going on here, guys? Good morning, guys. I'm at 7 in the morning, and traffic on the 417 is not looking good. So everybody's heading out from Florida, heading to safety. This hurricane is coming, and it's coming very, very strong. So this is this is Tuesday, and the road is looking like this. Set to be hitting us on Thursday. So hey, welcome to Florida, guys. You gotta live it, you gotta learn, you gotta deal with it. I'm dealing with myself, and then you all gotta learn how to cope with this weather, because we're gonna live in a tropical state. We're gonna have hurricanes to deal with. So 2 days now, people are still heading out. Some are heading to New York, New Jersey, wherever safe, and I'm here trying to grab some stuff, and I gotta deal with this already. So keep tuned, guys. Hurricane videos I'm gonna be posting up. Goodbye, my YouTubers. Here we back to the hurricane season again. Milton did his damage, and as you all can see on social media, everywhere is bad. We had it bad here in Kissimmee. I slept like 2 hours, guys, and pounding, fence flying, trees blowing, power outage, lightning, you name it, we had it. Again, guys, it's a beautiful state. When you move to Florida, expect this every year. Stop panicking. Like some people I see, they put plywood on top of some car, holding up all the danger, crazy stuff, shortage of gas, propane, oxygen, you name it, man. It's crazy. Water, get ready for this stuff, guys. It's we live in the state. Every year is the same thing, so it's not a big deal. Well, it's a big deal, but be prepared. Don't go crazy and panicking like you don't know what you're moving into. This is why I never moved to Tampa or Daytona, because it's a very beautiful place, but comes with a very, very disaster behind it. Anyway, Milton did damage. I did a lot of clips, videos. Some of this will post up for you guys. And came to the store, did some damage to the store too. The sign blew off. But hey, at least not to buy teeth my goal. I still got my goal. Anyway, enjoy the video, guys. As much as I can show you. I know all over YouTube is gonna be posting stuff, and this is my version. Anyway, I saved a mango tree, guys. Woo! So next year I got mango coming. Anyway, guys, enjoy. One love. Morning, guys. I'm driving to my neighborhood. Look, everybody's prepared for the hurricane. Window board up. Board up. We're prepared for this disaster coming. Leave it as it is. Ride it out. Some of them just board up. Do what you can, guys. But safe. Stay safe. And don't go outside. You don't have to. I'll keep more videos coming up as the day go by. Today's Wednesday, and we're still here waiting for the hurricane. Okay, guys, watch. Starting. Like a tornado. In the back of the house. And this getting windy now. Yeah. It's like a circle. There's a circle going around. Come around. It's only about 7 o'clock right now. It's like at 8 at 9 it should hit more east side. And we're in Osceola. So, and the trees start whooping. Give more clips, guys, while you go. I don't know why hurricane hours coming at night, so we can hardly see stuff. Always has to be night. Anything in Florida, I always see night show. Alright guys, keep more flips going. Look at that. Heavy wind, heavy wind. Good guys, it's 10 o'clock. Again now. Good trees, good trees. Oh, it's getting worse. Still due for 2 o'clock. Now coming in. Crazy guys, crazy. Stay safe. Go come out. Woo! Crazy, crazy. Guys, everybody, trees are going crazy. I got this Christmas tree here, but strong. Gigantic. Getting worse. It's 11 o'clock and it says it's going to hit by 2 o'clock today, so it might be 2 o'clock on the plane. Alright guys, post it. Look at this guys, look at this. 50 miles per hour maybe. I don't know. What about these? So much wind just lost my mailbox. Well guys, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 a.m. Still going. Still going. Look at the clouds moving in a circle. So far, thank God, house is safe. Look after this yet. I don't know what everybody else, but if you can't go out there, it's very fast. Very bad. Look at it. If I can go out and look outside to see. Very bad. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, still going. How that cloud moving, yes, very, very, very fast and going in a circle. Wow, look at that. We have no flooding here, thank God. High ground, that place is nice. Water damages. I thank God we don't have anything here. Now we got power outage. You see everybody power is off. Man. God knows what more damage is going to do. But right now we have no power. Yep, no power. Find a lot of these in the ground, a lot of boys, Like we got palm trees and the strong palm trees. See how it is. Bad. Very bad. Keep you guys posted. It's going to go till 10 a.m. in the morning. So, as you can see, 4 o'clock and it's still going. And now we got power outage. 5 o'clock in the morning, still going, boys. We got blackout now. Power outage. Look at that. No power. Still going. Go fast that cloud moving. Alright guys, so this morning, come out and check what's going on. It's 8 in the morning and look what happened here. Fence ripped out. This is my block. Tore that fence up by that's pool there. See, we're going in the block. Board up. Yes. No joke, it's feel chilly today for some reason. Usually don't feel like this in Florida. I feel like it's in New York today. Yeah. So this is what it is, guys. After seeing my block. Take a route around the road just now and show you guys what's going on and see what happened to everybody else. Alright guys, so this morning at 8:30, back again on the track. Look what happened on this guy here. So this house, that's all these big trees. They're big, but they're big and it's very dangerous. That's why I don't like these trees. You ever buy a house with these trees, Look what happened. Lucky you didn't fall in the house, the would fall in front of the property. Yeah, going through the little drive-by now to show you guys what happened this morning in the neighborhood. I gotta go see the store, see right down in the store, because I have power outage in the store too. I can't see anything from the store, so hopefully that store is good. So I'm taking a drive to the jewelry store and get back home. Most of this is your leaf. Fence breakdown so far. Still windy and very chilly. So let's head out to the store now and see what's happening. Yep, this road is very quiet. I've never seen this road so quiet yet. Like this when I first moved to Florida, how it used to look like, but not like this no more. Well, hopefully after today, some people run away from Florida, some will stay. But if you live in a Florida state, guys, this is what you expect every year. So when you move here, make sure you move to this purpose. It's very beautiful, but it also has danger inside too. Especially if you go to the islands. All the islands, the same thing. But like I said, it's beautiful for a reason, but it got a danger behind it. So this is the danger part. Every year, this time of the year, you're facing hurricanes, so you're not safe if you have a hurricane state. Yep, all the trees are here. You won't want to go down the road, guys. Alright guys, so I'm at this store now. Well, I'm by my store. Some damages here. Hopefully break my glass. The alarm went off a few times, and camera system was off too. So we got power, thank God. Yep. Let's see what happened to the store now. Glass look fine. Of the signs, a few of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some big jewelry. Wow. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. Strong glasses, thank God for that. Yeah. Come and park my handicap. Park. See if it's quicker than slant. Let's see. Yep. Alright, good. That's one good sign. Don't worry about that. Let's go over here. Some teeth and gold. Alright. Very good, guys. The outside. Take a show more. Let me just check out, see what's going on in the store. Continue reviewing the videos outside the store. What do you call those? Cassava tree. Yeah, cassava. Most of the damage I see so far is just fence, trees. No fence here. Trees, banana trees. The usual. So far, so good. A lot of people's houses safe here, but Tampa got it bad. Anything living near to the water side, you're gonna feel that pressure, guys. It's good and bad. That's why I never moved to Tampa, because Beautiful but dangerous. Or stay inland and you get to see that this wind. Smaller damages. Damage your house. Everybody roof looking good so far. Most people change the roof from the last hurricane, so you see it's all brand new roof. Anyway, I saved me the mango tree, guys. Yep. And then you can see all this here. Fence, and more fence. And all the light signs are off today. Get off emergency.